Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button. Today I'm gonna reveal to you how you can make $100 a day on ClickBank. Very easy strategy, and I'm gonna you may have seen this strategy taught by many of the affiliate gurus, but I will show you some inside secrets of this strategy which you can utilize so that you get more results out of this strategy. So just stick till the end of this video so that you understand each and everything which I'm going to say in this strategy. This is going to be very crucial video for you. If you are really serious and want to earn money from ClickBank, this is a great strategy which you can utilize. Okay, now just go here on ClickBank. So now we are on ClickBank. Okay, so now what we are on in the marketplace, just go to ClickBank and go to marketplace. If you don't have an account on ClickBank, just create one new account. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to go to this category known as health and fitness. For example, for now I am just telling you about this category which is known as health and fitness. Now what you have to do is just get the affiliate link and just promote it. Okay, just go here and you can find this first product, Cinderella solution, which we are going to promote. This is an awesome product, so just let's jump into the on the product. Okay, I have already obtained the affiliate link for this product, so I don't need to again take that click on the promote button and you can get your affiliate link. I have already got the affiliate link, so we are already ready. Now what you have to do is go to this link Shockner website known as tinyurl, and what you can do is just paste your affiliate link. See here, I have pasted my affiliate link and it had converted it into this small URL. Okay, and what you have to do is just copy this small URL. Okay, that's it. 2 steps completed. Boom. Okay, now let's go to one of the main steps. What we are going to do is we are going to open Google. Okay, now let's I will show you from the start. Okay, so now let's go here and let's type in Google. Okay, google.com. Because I want to cover it in a step-by-step manner, so I'm gonna tell everything here. All you have to do is just go here and now you have to type in weight loss. What you did is you typed weight loss. Now the important thing comes here, the twist comes here, which most of the affiliate gurus don't tell you. What you have to do is just go to settings and go to advanced. Now what you have to do in this settings is you have to first, here are your keywords. Okay, that's what are that they should be. Okay, weight loss is our keyword. Now what you have to do is select the language. Okay, this is very important because this is advanced search. Okay, you have to select the language which is English. Okay, because English is the most is the only language which converts the most. You can consider that English speaking countries convert the most for ClickBank products. What you have to select is a region. Okay, then go and select a region. For the now, United States, Australia, and we can say that United Kingdom, New Zealand are the most converting countries for ClickBank. Okay, so if you send traffic from this country, you are definitely going to receive sales. So all you have to do is just select this and what you have to do is just select the most recent articles. So you can just select this up to a week ago. So all the articles which are recently updated will appear. Because why we have to select this recently updated articles? Because most of the articles which are recently updated are getting a lot of traffic, because the people who have uploaded these new articles are sharing it on social media, are sharing it to their email list. So what you have to do is you just have to select this article and click on this advanced search. You have done it. That's it. Now you will start getting articles over here. Okay, now you have to select one of the blogs. Okay, so I have already found a blog which I'm gonna reveal to you. Okay, and you can see this blog has one comment section. See, I will show you. So this blog has this comment section. But now what you have to do is you have to just click on the add comment. Okay, Now you can comment here. Now what you are going to comment is a very important question, because if you comment something wrong, then your comment will not appear. They will regard your comment as a spam comment. Okay, so what's important is to have the script. Okay, so this is my script for this comment. So here I am giving you my script. Just pause the video and write it down. What is this script? Okay, hey, whatever the blogger's name or the website name is, what you have to write here. Do you have any information about this weight loss program? And you are going to give it the link of that weight loss program, and it looks like a great program to help people lose weight. I was just looking for some opinion before I make my decision. By the way, I love your content, keep doing this good work. So this is going to be the comment which we are going to utilize. Okay, now what we will do is just copy this entire comment. Okay, Control C, and what you are going to do is go to this website. Okay, there are many tons and tons of websites available. Okay, but main thing is that you have to go to settings and target some of the websites which are related to this country. All you have to do is Control V and just click the submit button so that you can place this comment. Okay, that's easy, that's simple, and your comment is posted. Boom, you are done. Okay, see, this is your comment. It is already posted over here. And what if someone goes to this comment and checks out this link, then you get a commission if he buys from that link. Okay, so your link is out, you are already on all this platform, and this website may be getting much of the traffic, and what you are just getting a fraction of the traffic to your affiliate offer, and if someone buys from that link, you receive a commission. That's simple. That's how it is done. Now what you have to do is you have to post this type of comments in almost 10 blogs each and every single day, so that you can build up your traffic each and every single day. Many of the people utilize this method and send thousands of clicks to their affiliate offers and make a ton of money. Now you can also utilize this method. Okay, I have shown you the inside secrets which the gurus don't tell you. They may tell you about the method, but they don't tell you in this much detail or this much in a proper manner. Okay, now what you have to do is just go to Google Alerts and create one alert. Okay, you just have to type in the keyword weight loss, and now Google will alert you whenever the new blog regarding weight loss has been posted, and you will receive it in your email. All you have to do is just check out your emails, and you will receive blogs which are daily updated regarding this topic. And what you are going to do is find a comment section on that blog and start commenting on it. Do this every single day with 5 to 10 blogs, and then eventually you will start getting traffic, and at the end of month you may have made almost $1,000 with this method. And this is going to be an absolutely beast method, because most of the people utilize this, don't use this method. They use this method, but what they do is they are not consistent. But if you are consistent with this method, you can definitely earn $1,000 a month very, very easily. So just stay consistent with this method. I think you like my content. If you like my content, just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. And what I want to tell is that you can check out this other videos on my channel. After watching this video, they will also provide you a ton of value about Make Money Online. So just press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.